Hi guys, so we'll continue today with probability and we'll basically solve a few questions pehle and then we'll discuss a couple of concepts. So let's start solving. A goat is kept tethered to one corner or vertex of a square field of side 23.179 meters with a rope of the same length. A small plant is observed growing within this field. Find the probability that the plant will be eaten given that the goat will surely eat if it is within the reach. Okay. So again, as usual, you can just pause the video and try it out on your own and then resume the video for the solution. All right. So what we have is we have a square field like this, and goat is kept tethered to one corner of this square field. Now, guys, if the goat is tethered to this corner and the length of the rope is same as the side of the square, so the area that the goat can graze is basically given by this arc, right? You can observe this arc here, this arc being formed. Okay, this is exactly the area the goat can graze, right? So the area that the goat can graze, as I told you, can be indicated here in blue. Okay. Now, if the plant is lying in this blue region, it can be consumed by the goat, right? You can see in this, right? इनमें से कहीं भी अगर ये plant रहेगा, okay, in this blue region, okay, within this blue region, the plant will be consumed by the goat, okay. But अगर ये plant suppose बाहर रहा इस region के, okay, then the goat cannot reach the plant, so it will be not consumed, won't be consumed, right? Okay, so for the plant to be consumed, it should lie in this region, right? The region formed by the tethering of the goat. Okay, and the total area where you can put the plant is the area of the square, right? So the sample space where the location of the plant can be, it is the area of the square, right? I'm giving it as A1. And the favorable region, okay, where the goat will consume this particular plant will be the area of the quarter circle. I'll call it as A2. So area of the square is nothing but side square, r square in this case, and the area of the quarter circle, guys, will be 90 by 360 into pi r square. You can look at it this way, or it is 1/4 the area of a circle of radius r, right? So it is 1/4 of pi r square, and required probability will be A2 divided by A1. That in this case is 1/4 of pi r square upon r square. R square cut jayega. The required probability is 1/4 of pi, which is pi by 4. As simple as that, right? So we observe that the radius here is redundant, right? The answer is independent of the radius, and whenever you have this question, okay, you know the answer is pi by 4, right? All right, let's go on to the next part, guys. There are 8 equally spaced points across a circle. 3 points are joined at random. Find the probability that the triangle formed is not a right angle triangle. Okay, again, you can pause the video and try it out on your own. All right, so 8 equally spaced points across a circle. I'm calling them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These equally spaced points, right? Okay, now 3 of the points are joined at random. So your sample space will be 8 points में से 3 का selection 8C3, isn't it? So the sample space here, okay, I call it as suppose B is nothing but 8C3, which is 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2, 6 cancel, 56 हो जाएगा, right? Okay, and now further, suppose I take diameter AB. Okay, if I take diameter AB, right, guys, diameter AB अगर मैंने select कर लिया है, तो I have already selected 2 of the 3 points, right? So अगर मैंने AB select कर लिया है, okay, for forming a triangle, I can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these 6 points, right? अब ये 6 में से guys मैंने कोई भी एक point select किया, so you'll get a triangle like this, right? Let's say ACB will be a triangle, or AHB will be a triangle, or AFB will be a triangle, right? All these triangles will be like right angle triangles. Why, guys? Because diameter always subtends the right angle at any point on the circle, right? So AB अगर diameter है, you select any of these 6 points C, E, G, D, F, H, it will always subtend a right angle, right? So in this case, diameter AB alone can give 6 right angle triangles. जैसे 4 diameters है अपने पास, so total number of right angle triangles that you can form is 6 into 4, right? तो अगर आपने CD को diameter मान लिया है, CD के साथ में you can select points A, H, F, right? इनमें से कोई भी point connect करो, you'll get a right angle triangle, right? So you can observe it over here. ये हो सकता है ये, so it's a right angle, right? You can select these two also, it's a right angle. Any points, like, you know, out of these 6, they'll be right angles, right? Right, so total 6 points are available for one diameter. As the 4 diameters अपने पास, so 6 into 4 in totality we will have 24 possible right angle triangles, right? 56 तो हम triangle ही form कर सकते हैं total में से, and out of that, okay, you have 24 right angle triangles being formed. So how many non right angle triangles you will have, guys? From 56 I will subtract 24 and I will get it as 32. I call this value as A. So the required probability is what, guys? the required probability will be favorable events divided by the sample space. Favorable events कितने हैं यहाँ पे? The number of non-right angle triangles 32 divided by your sample space 56, that is A by B in this case, and 32 upon 56, you can cancel out 8 ऊपर नीचे, it will be 4 by 7. So the required probability that the triangle is not a right angle triangle, it's simply 4 by 7.